Hi, I'm Andrea York, owner and creator of 𝗀𝗁𝗏 𝗪𝗏, where we help you elevate your praise to the next level. Welcome to the 𝗀𝗁𝗏 𝗪𝗏 online auction. Here's how it's going to work. Each flag available for auction is sold as is and cannot be exchanged or returned. They are well loved and well used, and some may have flaws. Please listen or watch for the description. I will describe the size, the materials, and any flaws that may be noticeable. Auction prices start at $69 for triple layer flags and includes free shipping in the United States. Each item will have an item number listed at the bottom of the screen. Auction bids must be in full dollar amounts and be in $2 increments. In the comments below this video, there will be a corresponding comment with the item number from the page admin. If you wish to make a bid, reply to the comment with the item number of your bid. The bidding for that item will be over when the admin comments over, and will provide payment instructions to the winning bid. Auction winners will be asked to send an email with their shipping address. Flags are ready to be shipped and will be shipped the next business day. Flags that are not sold will be offered later on the website for $79. Item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗟. They are called Blood of the Lamb. It's a triple layer red flag, so you've got red sheer, red metallic, and a red sheer. They are standard size, 36-inch wood pole. The fabric is 54 by 54. In the earlier years, I used a liquid metallic for the center metallic, which means on some of my flags, I actually had cut and sewn on these red metallic triangles to keep the weight down. It's purely functional, not decorational, but you can't see it in motion. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗟. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗄. They are Knowledge of the Glory worship flags, the earlier version. Triple layer in blue sheer, blue metallic, and another blue sheer. In the earlier days, I used the metallic was a liquid metallic, which has different weight. So these squares, these triangles sewn on the front panel is purely functional, not decorational. They are standard size, wood poles, 36 inches long. The angel wings are 54 by 54. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗟. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗃. Your Love is Better. That's what these are called. They are a triple layer flag with wine sheer on the outer side. The middle layer is pink fuchsia with another layer of wine sheer. They are standard size, 54 by 54 angel wing shape. The pole is a 36-inch wood pole. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗟. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗄. The Lord is Mighty. They are a triple layer worship flag with a layer of bronze sheer, copper, metallic, and another layer of bronze sheer. There was a decorative edge that I did with a sequin on the metallic layer. They are standard size, 54 by 54. It is a 36-inch wood pole. In the earlier years, I used 𝗙𝗫𝗄𝗵, which required for me to put a kind of a weighted piece. So this sewn on metallic triangle is functional, not necessarily decorative. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗴𝗏. This is item number 𝗀𝗁𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗪𝗏. They are a triple layer flag with standard size, 54 by 54. The pole is a 36-inch wood pole. The layers are a rainbow, silver metallic, and a lilac sheer. This is item number 𝗬𝗏𝗃. This is item number 𝗬𝗏𝗃. They're called Forgiven, a triple layer pair of worship flags. They are standard size, 54 by 54 with a 36-inch wood pole. The layers are a white sheer, a silver metallic, and a red sheer. This is item number 𝗬𝗏𝗃. This is item number 𝗬𝗏𝗃. They are called Water. Fun fact, these were actually my very first pair of flags that I ever made myself. They are a triple layer pair with a darker blue, royal blue, white shimmer, blue, a royal blue sheer, a white sheer, and a light sheer, called Water. They are standard size, 54 by 54 with a 36-inch wood pole. This is item number 𝗬𝗏𝗃. This is item number 𝗬𝗏𝗃, fire flags. They are not standard size. In fact, I love these flags, but they are odd size, a condition of a mistake that I had made when making them. They look fine. You'll never notice in motion that they are different. These are our standard fire flags, still our #1 bestseller today. 3 layers, red, orange, and yellow. So I think one pole is 32 inches and one pole is 30 inches. They've been in my collection as long, probably for about 6 years. Fire flags, item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗃. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗃, Sword of the Spirit, still available in our Worship Warrior collection. These are a triple layer flag with a silver sheer, a silver metallic, and another silver sheer. They are standard size, 54 by 54 inch fabric with a 36-inch wood pole. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗃. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗃. The Lord has done great things for us. They're a triple layer flag with an orange sheer, silver metallic, and a rainbow sheer. They are standard size, they're 54 by 54 with a 36-inch wood pole. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗃. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀. They're called Total Praise. These are triple layer flags with a purple sheer, a gold metallic, and a fuchsia sheer on the inside. They are standard size, 54 by 54 with a 36-inch wood pole. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏. They are called His Voice. They are a triple layer worship flag with a yellow, a purple indigo, and a yellow sheer. They are standard size, 54 by 54, 36-inch wood pole. These are item number 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.